Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talking Easy channel. I'm Ella, and I'm really excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Alex. Hi, friends. Today we're going to talk about something super simple but super important. Time.
Yes, telling time in English. It sounds basic, but it can actually be tricky.
So true. I remember when I was learning English, someone said, half five, and I thought, five what? $5? Five cats?
That's funny and totally normal. Time expressions are different in every language.
Exactly. So today we're going to make it really clear and simple. No confusion, just easy learning.
Let's start with the easiest part. When you see the clock showing exactly 7 o'clock, what do you say?
You say, it's 7 o'clock.
Perfect. The key word here is o'clock. This word means exactly on the hour, no extra minutes.
So if it's 3 o'clock, you say, it's 3 o'clock. If it's 12 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock.
Right. But here's an important note. We only use o'clock when the time is exact. When there are minutes, we don't say o'clock.
Good point. So, never say 7:30 o'clock. Just say 7:30.
Exactly. Let's practice a few times. Everyone listening, please repeat after us.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock.
Great job. Now, let's talk about morning and night. This is where AM and PM come in.
Oh yes, this confuses many learners at first.
It's actually simple. AM means morning time, from midnight until noon. That's 12 o'clock at night until 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
And PM means afternoon and evening, from noon until midnight.
So if you wake up at 6 in the morning, it's 6 a.m.
But if you eat dinner at 6 in the evening, it's 6 p.m.
Same number, different time of day.
Here's a little trick to remember. AM sounds like after midnight, and PM sounds like past midday.
Oh, I like that. It's not the real meaning, but it helps you remember.
Exactly. Little tricks like this make learning easier.
Now, let's add minutes to the time. This is where it gets more interesting.
Let's say it's 9:05. How do you say that?
You can simply say, it's 9:05.
Notice we say O instead of 0. That's very common in spoken English.
So if it's 10:08, you say, it's 10:08.
And if it's 2:03, it's 2:03.
Good. Now, what about bigger numbers, like 9:20
Easy. It's 9:20.
or 4:55?
It's 4:55.
See? When you say the minutes, just read the numbers naturally.
But wait, there's another way to say time that sounds more natural and native.
Oh yes, this is the British and Australian way, and it's really common.
When it's 15 minutes after the hour, we say a quarter past.
So 3:15 becomes a quarter past 3.
Why quarter? Because 15 minutes is 1/4, 1/4 of an hour.
An hour has 60 minutes. Divide that by 4, you get 15. So a quarter past means 15 minutes after the hour. Let's practice. If it's 8:15, you say,
A quarter past 8.
if it's 12:15,
A quarter past 12.
perfect. Now what about 30 minutes? That's half of an hour.
Right. So when it's 4:30, we say half past 4.
Half past means 30 minutes after the hour.
Let's try a few. If it's 7:30, you say.
Half past 7.
If it's 1:30,
Half past 1.
excellent. Now here's the tricky one. 1:45.
Yes, this one confuses people at first, but it's actually logical.
When it's 15 minutes before the next hour, we say 1:45.
So if it's 5:45, we're 15 minutes away from 6 o'clock.
We say it's 5:45.
We're looking forward to the next hour, not backward.
Let's practice. If it's 8:45, you say,
9:15.
if it's 11:45,
11:45.
great. Now let's review all three. Quarter past, half past, quarter to.
Everyone, repeat after us. 3:15.
Half past 6.
9:15.
Beautiful. You're doing great.
Now I want to share a little story. I have a friend named Lisa from Brazil.
Okay, tell us about Lisa.
When Lisa first came to England, she had a job interview at 9:30.
Oh no, I can guess what happened.
She thought 9:30 meant 4:30, half of 9.
But it actually means 9:30.
Exactly. So she arrived 5 hours early.
Wow, that's dedication.
She waited in a coffee shop, totally confused. Finally, she asked someone and they explained it.
Poor Lisa. But I bet she never forgot that lesson.
Never. Now she always double checks the time.
That's a great example of why learning time expressions is so important.
It's not just about clocks, it's about real life, real situations.
Absolutely. So, listeners, don't feel bad if you make mistakes. Everyone does.
Now let's practice with real situations. Alex, let's pretend we're meeting for coffee.
Okay, sounds good.
What time should we meet?
How about 2:30?
Perfect. So that's 2:30 p.m.
Yes, see you then.
Wait, that was too easy. Let me make it harder.
Oh no.
I'm running late. I'll be there at 2:45 instead.
So that's 2:45. No problem. I'll wait for you.
Thanks. I'll bring cake.
Now I'm definitely waiting.
See, that's how you use time in normal conversation.
It's natural, friendly, and clear.
Let's try another scenario. You're at a train station.
Okay, I'm the passenger, you're the information desk.
Perfect. Go ahead and ask me.
Excuse me, what time does the next train to London leave?
The next train leaves at 4:15.
4:15, so that's 4:15?
That's correct. And it arrives in London at 6:30.
6:30, so 6:30. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
That was perfect. Notice how we confirmed the time?
Yes, it's good to repeat the time to make sure you understand correctly.
Especially in important situations like travel or appointments.
Now let's talk about some other ways to say time, more casual ways.
Right. We don't always say the exact time.
Sometimes we say around. For example, I'll meet you around 3.
Around means approximately. Maybe 2:55, maybe 3:05.
Or we say about. I finish work about 5.
You can also say almost, like it's almost 8 o'clock.
Almost means very close, maybe 7:59 or 7:58.
And just after means a few minutes past. It's just after 9 o'clock, could mean 9:02 or 9:05.
These words make your English sound more natural and relaxed.
Let's practice these. Ella, what time do you usually eat lunch?
I eat lunch around 12:30. What about you?
I usually eat about 1, sometimes later if I'm busy.
And what time do you finish work?
I finish just after 5, then I go straight home.
See, everyone, that's natural conversation.
Now let's talk about being on time, early, or late.
If you arrive exactly when you should, you're on time.
Example, the train arrived on time.
If you arrive before the scheduled time, you're early.
Example, I was 10 minutes early for my appointment.
And if you arrive after the scheduled time, you're late.
Example, sorry, I'm late, there was traffic.
Being on time is very important in English-speaking countries.
Especially for job interviews, meetings, and appointments.
If you know you'll be late, it's polite to call or message.
You can say, I'm sorry, I'm running late, I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Running late is a common expression. It means you're behind schedule.
Let's practice one more scenario. Ella, we have a meeting at 10.
Oh no, I'm stuck in traffic. I'll be late.
That's okay. What time will you arrive?
Probably around 10:15. I'm really sorry.
No problem. We'll start without you and you can join when you arrive.
Thank you for understanding.
That's how you handle being late politely and professionally.
Now let's talk about daily routines using time.
This is really useful for describing your day.
Let's start with morning. What time do you wake up, Alex?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
So you can say, I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
Then I take a shower at 6:45.
And you eat breakfast at?
At 7 o'clock sharp.
Sharp means exactly on time, very precise.
Then I leave home at 7:30 to catch my bus.
What about the afternoon? What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30, 12:30.
And you finish work at?
At 5 p.m., 5 o'clock in the evening.
Perfect. Now you're describing your whole day using time.
This is how you practice English in your daily life.
You can do this every day. Talk about your schedule in English.
Even if you're alone, speak out loud. Say your routine.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 7:30. I leave home at 8.
This builds your confidence and fluency naturally.
Let's learn some useful phrases with time. First one, what time is it?
That's how you ask for the time.
You can also say, do you have the time? This also means, what time is it?
To answer, you say, it's, and then the time.
For example, it's 3:30.
Another question. What time does it start?
You might ask this about a movie, a class, or a meeting.
Answer, it starts at 7 p.m.
Or, what time does it finish?
It finishes at 9 p.m.
Let's practice these questions. Everyone, repeat after us.
What time is it?
What time does it start?
What time does it finish?
Excellent! These 3 questions will help you in so many situations.
Now let's talk about time expressions, idioms that use time.
The first one is time flies. It means time passes very quickly.
Example, wow, it's already 5? Time flies when you're having fun.
Next one, better late than never. It means it's better to do something late than not do it at all.
Example, I finally finished my homework. Better late than never.
Here's another, in the nick of time. It means just before it's too late, at the last possible moment.
Example, I arrived at the airport in the nick of time. They were about to close the gate.
One more, ahead of time. It means before the deadline, earlier than necessary.
Example, I finished my project ahead of time, so now I can relax.
These expressions make your English sound more colorful and native.
Let's do a quick quiz. I'll describe a situation and you think about the time.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's morning, you drink coffee at 8:30. How do you say it?
I drink coffee at 8:30.
Correct. Next, your class starts at 2:15. How do you say it?
My class starts at 2:15.
Perfect. One more. The movie ends at 9:45. How do you say it?
The movie ends at 9:45.
Excellent. You're a time-telling champion.
Thank you. Now, listeners, it's your turn to practice.
Think about your own schedule. What time do you wake up?
What time do you eat breakfast?
What time do you go to bed?
Say these times out loud in English. Practice right now.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Just try.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Before we finish, let me share one important tip.
What's that?
In American English, people often just say the numbers, 7:30 or 3:15.
But in British English, 15:15 and half-past are more common.
Both ways are correct. You can choose which style you prefer.
The most important thing is to be clear and confident.
Exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
All right, let's do a final practice. Repeat these sentences with me.
I wake up at 7 every morning.
My class starts at 9:15.
I eat lunch at 12:30.
I go home at 5:45.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Wonderful! You sound great. Remember, telling time is one of the most useful skills in English.
You use it every single day for work, travel, appointments, and social life.
So keep practicing. Set your phone to English. Listen to how people say time.
Watch English movies and pay attention when characters talk about time.
Little by little, it will become automatic.
Before we say goodbye, I want to encourage everyone listening.
Yes, please don't give up. Learning takes time, and that's okay.
You don't need to learn everything today, just a little bit every day.
Today, you learned how to tell time. Tomorrow, you'll learn something new.
In 1 month, you'll look back and be surprised at how much you've improved.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
And leave a comment. Tell us what time you wake up every day.
We love reading your comments. It helps us know you're learning and growing.
All right, friends. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.
Remember, every minute you spend learning is a minute well spent.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time on Talking Easy channel. Take care.